Hello and welcome everybody. Alibaba stock on 27 November. So let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start for this price. Okay, however, this is going to be very important and very serious for everybody who invest on this stock. So let's go for what we want actually. Okay, let's see what would happen if the Alibaba stock is going to be very important on 1 week update. Since we see those two intersections, it's going to be great for the Alibaba to be explained here. So I think if we say that there is a lot of green candles appears in the sides, maybe after this huge decrease, the green candles will appear similar to the previous part that it was on this form. That what can I actually see as a predicting parties here who you benefit from what we have explained from this video.